Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Emmanuel.
I'm May.
Me and Carlos run Uptown Photowalk.
And I'm part of the New York City Photostroll group.
We started, I don't know, about 7-8 years ago, and we've been doing monthly walks. We've had a gallery exhibition at the end of 2022. You can check that out on our website, uptownphotowalk.art. We are always taking guest hosts, like today. May volunteered to do Chinatown.
New York City Photostroll established 2022, and we have a nice bunch of people. We put a zine together, and if you want to be in an active chat group, we have a WhatsApp chat that we can come together. And anytime you have come to the walk, you can submit your photographs to be in the zine.
So usually what I like to say is that if you're in a community that you don't necessarily belong to, be respectful of the people, be respectful of the businesses, of the streets. Feel free to approach people and all that stuff. And if anybody gives you ish, point them to one of us and we'll let them know what we're doing out here. Learn from each other, talk to each other, meet each other.
And then for today's route, we're gonna start here and then we're gonna go over to Thomas Paine Park, where you can see the view of City Hall, Columbus Park, where the Chinese community, Bowery, and then from there we can see the view of Manhattan Bridge. And then we're probably gonna end there.
So mention Uptown Photowalk, NYC Photostroll, and anything that you upload, please.
Thank you.
The headlights or that car should be sharp. That's how you focus with a manual lens.
Thank you for coming, and I hope it was fun for everybody as it was for me.
Thank you guys all for coming down for another awesome edition of Uptown Photowalk in collaboration with New York City Stroll, which is awesome.